Hello friends. Welcome to at Principal Samsiadav. Today, we bring you 100 best English speaking sentences. These sentences will make your English easy, natural, and super confident whether you are a student, learner, or beginner. These sentences are your daily practice partner. Repeat with me, practice with me, and soon English will be on your fingertips. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more powerful English lessons. Best 100 speaking sentences in English daily use sentences, 1 to 10. I wake up early in the morning. Please give me a glass of water. What are you doing right now? I am going to school. Don't be late. Let's go for a walk. I am feeling hungry. The food is very tasty. Please open the window. I am getting ready. Polite sentences, 11 to 20. Excuse me, can you help me? Please wait for a moment. Could you repeat that, please? Thank you very much. You're welcome. I'm sorry for being late. No problem. Take your time. That's very kind of you. I really appreciate it. May I sit here? Conversation starters, 21 to 30. How are you doing today? What's going on? Where are you from? What do you do? It's nice to meet you. Do you speak English? How was your day? Long time no see. What's your plan for today? Can I ask you something? At home, 31 to 40. Dinner is ready. Please switch off the light. Don't make noise. I'm cleaning my room. Close the door properly. The TV is not working. Let's play outside. Wash your hands before eating. I'll call you later. Come and sit with me. At school or work, 41 to 50. May I come in, sir? Please check my homework. I didn't understand this. Could you explain again? I'll submit it tomorrow. Let's discuss this topic. I have completed my work. Please be quiet. Don't talk in the class. Let's prepare for the test. Travel and shopping, 51 to 60. How much is this? Can you show me something cheaper? Where is the nearest bus stop? I need a ticket to Delhi. What time does the train leave? Please drop me here. I'm looking for a hotel. Do you accept cards? That's too expensive. Please give me the bill. Expressing feelings, 61 to 70. I am very happy today. I'm not feeling well. I am so tired. I'm a little busy right now. I am excited to see you. I'm worried about the exam. I am proud of you. I feel relaxed now. I'm really angry. Don't be upset. Phone conversations, 71 to 80. Hello, may I speak to Rahul? Please call me back. I'll talk to you later. Can you hear me? Sorry, wrong number. I am in a meeting. Please send me the details. The line is not clear. Can we meet tomorrow? I'll text you the address. Social sentences, 81 to 90. What do you like to eat? Let's go out for dinner. Do you watch movies? What's your favorite hobby? I love listening to music. Can you play cricket? This place is beautiful. I enjoyed the party. Let's take a selfie. We had a great time. Smart phrases, 91 to 100. Don't worry, it's okay. That sounds interesting. I'll think about it. Let's try something new. Can you give me a hand? That's a good idea. I don't agree with you. Let's keep in touch. Everything will be fine. See you soon. T to 45 seconds. Great job, friends. You just learned 100 powerful daily English sentences. Keep practicing daily, because practice equals confidence. For more videos on spoken English, vocabulary, and school English solutions, stay connected with at Principal Samsiadav. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Let's make English easy for everyone together.